Hi everyone, this is Carol and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to do a wing using a liquid eyeliner. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started.
Take any liquid eyeliner. Begin by drawing a line along the waterline of your eye. Then draw a small triangle. Then you need to fill the triangle. Then you need to line your eyelids normally as you always do.
Jack it up.
Repeat the same on the other side as well. Then you need to extend the wing using the tip of the brush. Then to complete it, you need to apply any black eyeshadow on your waterline.
I really hope this video was helpful. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below what would you like to see in my next videos. Until then, bye.